Good day everyone. So now I'm gonna demonstrate on how to find fixed position using two stars. First, we need to plot the DR position. So latitude is 44 degree, 10 minutes north, and longitude 169 degree and 30 minutes S. So the intersection of the two lines will be the DR position with that enclosed by a triangle shape. So second, once we get the DR position, we can now plot the two stars, the Markab and the Rosalghas. So first Markab, its GN will be 85.2 degree and intercept with 5.2 minutes away. So we measure first the intercept 5.2 from latitude scale 5.2, and once we get the 85.2 degree from the compass rose, and then transfer it from our DR position like this. Then once we make that line, we can now plot the intercept with 5.2 facing away, and once we plot the 5.2 minutes away, so we can now get the right angle of that ZN. We can now measure the right angle of Markab. So by getting its 90 degree, or in other ways will be subtracting or adding its GN from 90 degrees, so that we get 355.2 degree and 175.2 degree position line of Markab star. After we get its position line, so we now can get the lat and longitude. So the lat will be 44.8 minutes north, and its longitude will be 169 degree and 22 minutes S. Next star will be the Rosalghas. So its GN is 183.3 degrees at intercept with 6.11 towards. So as I said earlier, we first measure the 6.11 minutes in latitude scale here, and after we get the 103 point degrees in the compass rose and transfer it to the side of the DR. Then so because it is towards, so our direction will be ahead of the DR. So we can, by drawing a line, then we measure from earlier the 6.11 minutes. So if it is there, put a mark, and after you can get its right angle by again adding or subtracting its GN from 90 degrees. So the result will be 273.3 degrees and 93.3 degree position line of Rosalghas. So once we get its position line, we can now get it lat and longitude. So its lat and longitude will be 44 degree and 1.5 minutes north, and its longitude will be 169 degree and 29 minutes s. That intersection of the two line ZN and its intercept position line will be the initial position of the Rosalghas. So the last step will be finding the fixed position, because we cannot find the fixed position because of the intersection of the two position line of the two star, like this position line of Markab and position line of the Rosalghas, and the intercept of the two lines will be the fixed position line of our star. So the fixed position line is latitude 44 degree and 2 minutes north, and longitude 169 degree 22 3 minutes s. By we can get that latitude and longitude by aligning its line from a parallel roller. So that's all on how to get the fixed position line of the two star. Thank you.